Hey guys, I just came on for a minute to tell you a little something, and it's just one of those moments that I had. And I had what I call a mommy moment. I have them every day because I miss my mom every day, but sometimes it's things that make me laugh, and I just get tickled about it, and probably it's not funny to anybody else. But yesterday I decided to make homemade cornbread because my friend had given me some field peas, and so I said I'll cook those and I'll do that. Usually all I do is take that little package that they have and throw it in the oven when I get through mixing it up. Or either I make hot water cornbread, but today I wasn't doing either one of those, but yesterday. So I decided that I would make regular cornbread. Well, I didn't have any baking powder. No, I don't have any in my cabinets because I don't bake. And if it had been in my cabinet, it would probably be 2, 3, 4 years out of date. So today when I went to Target, I went looking. And when I went looking, I didn't look for this can. Can anybody tell me what I was looking for? Yep, you're right. Is the one in the red can with the Indian on the front, Indian chief on the front. That's the one my mom used. That's the one she preferred. That's the only one she would use. If for some strange reason you came to the house with this, you would have to go back to the store and buy that red Indian chief. Well, my girlfriend, sorority sister in fact, when we were at DT, had moved into an apartment, and she cooked dinner for me one day, and she invited me over, and she said, can you stop by the store and get the baking powder? So I said, sure. So which one did I get? I got the one that I was familiar with because my mom used that one. So when I got there, she said she needed this one. I said, well, I have that one. And she said, no, I need this one. You need to go back to the store and exchange this for that. I said, I'm not going. She said, well, I'm not cooking the cornbread. We're not eating because my grandmother said this one is so much better than the one in the red can. So I got a little huffy, and I told him, well, my mom says the one in the red can is better than this one. My mom says cooks that can really cook use the one in the red can. And she said, my grandmother said, and it just went back and forth. And for 2 days, we did not speak to each other, all because of, again, I do not bake. I don't know what I'm eating in other people's houses, but I wanted the red can because that's what my mother used. And I know it's silly, but we do those things. We use these things that our mothers use because we're used to them. I don't know if this is going to make my cornbread taste better, worse, indifferent. It doesn't matter. But it brought back memories of my mom in that red can. Because my dad knew, you bring this home, you going back to the store. Because she wanted the one in the red can. Have a good one. And smile about things that your mom did. It's a good feeling. Have a good one. And remember, this is your best year.